Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam not downloading games. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your File Explorer and just make sure that you do have enough space, okay, to download games. Now, if you have enough space, maybe it's a network error. So just go ahead and check your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right-click and click on Adjust Date and Time. Now, in here, make sure that you select the correct region at the top right. At the bottom right here, we have country or region. Just click on the drop down and select the correct region. Once it's selected, you go ahead and go back. Make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. And once these two are enabled, scroll down and click on Sync Now. Wait a bit. Once you got the check mark, just close this one. Now go ahead and go to your Steam app. Click on Steam right here. Click on Settings. And then in here, go ahead and find Downloads. Now go ahead and find the download region. Make sure that you select the closest one to you. Okay, just click on Restart Now. And then once done, go ahead and go back to the same exact page. Says Steam, Settings, Downloads, and clear the cache. Okay, clear cache, click on Confirm. It will then go ahead and reload the Steam app. So just wait for it. And after that, go ahead and try to download and check if it helps. If that still will work, go ahead over to Steam, Settings. Now go ahead over to Storage right here. Click on all three dots and just repair the library. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. Click on Close once it's done. Close. Now go ahead and try to download and check. If not, close Steam. Right-click and close Steam right here as well. Go ahead over to your search bar and type down Control Panel. Click on it. Now make sure that you're under large icons. Now go ahead and find Network and Sharing Center. Just click on it. At the top left, you have Change Adapter Settings. Click on it. Double click on the network that you are currently using. Now click on Properties. Now go and find Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties. Now copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Click on OK. Close, 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 close. Now find Command Prompt or CMD right here on your search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Again, there will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now type down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on Enter. Now type down netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on Enter. You can go ahead and pause the video, okay, if it's fast enough for you. So netsh space int space IP space reset. Again, hit on Enter, and after that, close this one and just restart your computer. And once that's done, try to download and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That's how simple it is to fix Steam if it's not downloading games. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.